Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I've got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is basically a double whammy. 2 quotes, one from my client, Morris Adkins, who said this: "You're only as good as your last job." Oh, strong, right? Think about that for a second. Think about the last job you did. You're only as good as that one. And as he was saying this, it immediately reminded me of another quote from your Uncle G. What you have done is nothing compared to what you can do. What you have done is nothing compared to what you can do. You are only as good as your last job. So I want to invite you, I want to encourage you, I want to demand, if you will, that when you go into the marketplace today, you start thinking about the last thing that you did. How good was it? And what are you truly capable of doing? This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-0352 and be great, because nothing else pays.